Good day everyone, my name is Zoyan Mukherjee and today we'll be learning valuation of goodwill. Before we learn about the valuation of goodwill or the methods to calculate goodwill, we need to know what goodwill means. It is the value of the reputation of a firm which enables it to earn higher profits in comparison to the profits earned by other firms in the same trade. We can only justify the comparison if they are in the same line of the trade. Now let's just jump right into the methods. Coming to the point of the valuation of goodwill. There are three methods to estimate the value of goodwill. Because it is an estimation, we don't record it in the books of accounts. However, in some situations or some firms decide to record it. If it is purchased goodwill, it is preferred to be recorded. If it is not, then it is adjusted someday or the other. The first method of them is average profit method. There are two parts to it. The first one being simple average method. In this method, we need the value of simple average profit. In this, we take the sum of total corrected profits and divide it by the number of years. For explanation, for example, there is first year, second year, third year, and the profits are 1, 2, 3 respectively. In the first year, we see that there is an abnormal gain of rupees X. So we subtract it because it is an abnormal gain which never really happens on a daily basis, on a yearly basis to be honest. And for the third year, for profit 3, there is an abnormal loss of rupees Y. Now this as just like normal gain, an abnormal loss doesn't happen on a regular basis. So we add the abnormal loss. And that's how we get the corrected profits. After getting the simple average profit, we come to the calculation of goodwill. In this, we take the simple average profit and multiply it by the number of years purchased. Number of years purchased is the time period throughout which the goodwill will be valid. The second method under the topic average profit method is weighted average method. In this, we will be given a number of years and the profits. We have to give weights to them. How will we identify in which questions we have to use weighted average method? There will be some kind of trend in the profits. Either they will be ascending, descending, or there will be some pattern among them. We have to assign weights to them, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to calculate the products. We have to multiply the profit with the weight, and then we have to attain the sum of the weight as well as profit. Now, using the total product and dividing it by total weight, we'll be getting the value of weighted average method. To calculate goodwill, we then have to multiply the value of weighted average profit to number of years purchased, and then we'll be able to get goodwill with the help of weighted average method. The second method to estimate firm goodwill is super profit method. Super profit is if a firm earns profit higher than the normal profit earned by other firms in the same trade. The same profit is termed as super profit. To estimate the firm goodwill using the super profit method, first of all we need to calculate the normal profit. For this we need to we will be provided, or we have to calculate the capital employed depending on the situation of the question and multiply it with the normal rate of return and then divide it by the number 100. And after we get the value of normal profit, we have to find super profit. For that, we will be using average profit, and we have to subtract it, and we have to subtract normal profit from average profit to get super profit. To calculate goodwill, we need to multiply super profit by number of years purchased, and that's how we will get goodwill using super profit method. The third method to estimate the value of firm goodwill, which is capitalization method. There are two methods under capitalization method. The first one is average capitalization method. To use this method, first of all, we need to have the value of average capitalized value, for which we have to divide average profit by net rate of return and multiply the result by 100, which will give us the average capitalized value. To calculate goodwill, we need to take the average capitalized value and then subtract the capital employed. Sometimes the capital won't be provided directly. We have to make some adjustments to attain the capital. There is another method under capitalization method, that being super profit capitalization method, in which we have to divide super profit by normal rate of return, by net rate of return, into 100, which will provide the goodwill. Here is a summary that what we have learned today. Thanks for watching.